Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn weight and capacity together, step by step. We measure how heavy things are and how much they hold. We'll use grams, kilograms, milliliters, and liters and convert between them. Weight tells how heavy something is. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. A balance compares two weights. The heavier side dips down. Capacity is how much a container can hold. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, useful for bottles, jugs, and tanks. Convert 2 kilograms, 500 grams to grams. 2 kilograms is 2,000 grams plus 500, 2,500 grams. To recap, a kilogram is 1,000 grams, a liter 1,000 milliliters. Always convert to the same unit before adding or comparing. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.